Thank you for being with us on our very bright rooftop. Today, bright is good. After all, we are commissioning a beautiful, shiny new solar energy plant. It's among the largest roof-mounted solar installations in the state of Connecticut.
This project will generate over 1.1 million kilowatt hours of clean electricity in the first year, which is roughly equivalent to powering 100 Connecticut households for 12 months. Belimo will now be able to self-generate roughly a third of their annual electrical consumption needs directly from sunlight.
Saving energy in buildings is the core of Belimo's business proposition, and it has been for over 40 years. We already have Belimo devices operating in this building, and as we looked at ways we can further cut our carbon footprint, we determined that generating our own power in a sustainable fashion was our best alternative.
This project is important because it sets a standard for the creation of energy in a new era.
This installation is a great showcase of Belimo's commitment to sustainability and a sustainable future, which frankly was apparent to us as a top organizational priority from our very first conversation.
I can see the light from every open door.